Hey, gorgeous. Welcome to Anita's Favorites. To all of my subscribers, thank you so much for joining me today and welcome. So as you can see, today I have an unboxing, and y'all, this is a very special unboxing because this is sort of a unicorn color, and I do not have not one item in my collection of all of the Dooney bags that I have in this color. So new color for me. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start with the big box. When I saw this bag pop up, I did not pass go. I jumped on it. It is the Dooney Bourke Florentine Satchel. This is now the large size in the color Fuschia. Oh my God. So I got number 78 of 78, whatever that means. Okay. All right. Let me open the other box and then I'm going to show you together what these items are. So these are my favorites. This is the little large frame coin purse in the color Fuschia. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, I love this. So here she is, y'all. She's absolutely stunning. This bag is so gorgeous. I know my camera is not really picking it up the way I want it to, but trust me when I tell you, look at the whip stitching on these handles. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So grab this now before it's sold out. This is way prettier in person. Words cannot express how excited I am and how gorgeous this bag is. All right, y'all, till next time.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready for the change, ready for the fame.